Higher income awaits farmers in Palawan as the new Ibaturaan small reservoir irrigation project in Aborlan expected to boost agricultural productivity. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. inaugurated the new irrigation facility which costs more than 886 million pesos. It is the largest irrigation system and the first reservoir-type irrigation project in Palawan designed to improve farm productivity.
Sa panahon ngayon, lalo na sa gitna ng tagtuyot o El Nino, hindi na pwedeng umasa lang tayo sa pagdating ng ulan. Dahil nagbabago pati ang panahon. Kaya talagang kailangan na kailangan ang mga irrigation project na ito.
The project will irrigate some 1,072 hectares of farmland benefiting 425 farmers in Arborlan. The president also announced plans to build solar-powered irrigation pumps equipped with AI-based satellite monitoring and fertigation systems, or the practice of injecting water-soluble fertilizers directly into an irrigation system as part of the government's agricultural modernization program.
Inaasahan natin ang mas maraming sako ng bigas, mas masaganang ani sa gulay, mas malaking kita para sa ating mga magsasaka.
Bilang magsasaka, pangalagaan namin ito upang magamit ito ng susunod na salinlahi.